It is very, very windy today, but the main idea on that 12-volt water heater conversion that I did was, the main idea for that was for this, because there's no real spot to put in one of those propane water heaters. There's no power lines coming to this house, and also it's very small in there. So with this, what we did was I built a little battery box for the outside, just so we can service it when he's not home, and if I need to take a look at it. I can see the solar controller from the window, so that's a huge plus. We did this a while back ago when we did suitcases. 3, 2, 1, it's gonna get bright. Oh man, I'm so sorry about that. So windy in Navajo Mountain. Well, where I was, it was pretty windy. Not sure how it was for the guys, but for me, where I was at, checking on some houses, little things. Trying to look for the keys. It's in my bag. But where I was, that wind was like coming through the trees and just blew all the sand in my face. It was wasn't my favorite moment. Yeah, not sure how they're handling all that wind. I was trying to just look at some of the systems, some batteries and stuff like that, and every time I was like trying to do something very nimble, that wind came in and blew all the sand right in my eyes. Was not my funnest moment. Yeah, but it's not too bad here. Out here seems so yeah, not as windy over here. It's not blowing sand in my face. It was pretty windy over there. Yeah, I'm curious on how those guys are dealing with it. Digging that hole, a bunch of sand blows them in the face. At least I'm not over there right now. Oh my god. I hope that's not annoying. I came back over here to grab one of these. Got a little backhoe hour sheet, but it's too windy outside. And I walked out of the office after grabbing this. I just got hit with a big wall of sand right in my eyes, and I was like, I gotta run. And I was like trying to squint it, put my hood on because I was getting sand in my ears. And then kind of see, I got the truck parked like right there. All the wind came in and just blew that way, right in the line of where I was walking. This is, now I got it like stuck in my teeth. I can crunch it, and man, it just, that sucks. Shanto Water Point. That's where Mike kept teasing and saying only tourists get stuck there. A little bit of a time crunch. I gotta get to Batatican. It's 2 o'clock, but just had to see that. Just had to stop. They're all yellow. If it wasn't for the res dirt, if it was all grass, you would not even think that you're at the res. There's the old gas station, old trading post, and it's kind of further back. I was hoping to get a little shot of that stage they do Rock the Canyon, but it's actually further away, further than I remember. But I'm cutting through here. It's not really a huge time difference going from the Conics to Patatacan. You can go through the Shanto Canyon area, or you can go all the way to like Shanto Marketplace and then go towards like Kayenta. You're not gaining any time, you're not losing any time, you're not saving any time. I don't know how to word that, but it's the same amount. One is not shorter than the other. We've tested that, we tried it, and always get back to the Conics at the same time. And yeah, so I'm going this way and then go back the other way because I got a house to see as well. But yeah, had to share that. There's no way I was not going to miss that. I really like those kind of trees. That one. Talk about an old school guardrail. For me personally, I absolutely love driving through here. And sorry, Shanna, but I've gotta say it. Shanna one time screamed right here because it literally just drops down. Trying to do this a little quick. I'm on the side of the road, but this is kind of on top. If I keep going that way in the direction I'm going to White Post and then Patatacan, Navajo National Monument. And just right over there, the Shanto water towers. From what I like to say, Donkey Canyon.
And I see this booger again. A booger. showing the wheelie.
Leaving a door tag. I feel like after leaving that, I need to like get away from that little puppy because he's gonna chase me. Like a little rat following me. But dropping that door tag, I feel like one of those people. I'm trying to contact you about your car's extended warranty. Please contact us. And he's following me still. One thing I am not a huge fan of is wind. Wind and this sand just makes a bummer for a day. And I don't know if it's raining. I'm sure it's not raining, but that's a lot of wind and it's a lot of wind and sand going on in that direction. I don't know if it's raining. It looks like it's raining, but that just looks like sand. Hope it's not too windy. It's getting pretty gusty right here. And yeah, that's a lot of dust, a lot of sand. Parked on the side of the road again. Really like this spot because it's a beautiful view of a canyon that you can kind of see if you drive by, but you have to like do like I did, park on the side. And then it's not really big of a hike. like a little walk, just come up this little ledge. But pretty cool. I like it. The sun's kind of like going down, but you see all the dust, just sand blowing everywhere. But I really like this spot. Really cool to see. Be nice to hike down there. If only there was like a hiking trail that would go down there. But yeah, I didn't really do much with going to that house that they were installing in. I just had to switch out vehicles and do what I was doing. Wanted to get that one, that little trailer going. Little battery issues. It's not too bad, but hopefully we get some new batteries coming in. There's like some rain, it's not a lot. You can see it falling down. Pushing through right in there, looks pretty cool. Yeah, had a great call on my little lunch break. Pulled off to the side. I was like, hey, I couldn't answer your call yesterday because my hands were busy with laying PVC on the ground for the infiltrators. And today he called me. Got to talk to him for a bit. Rodney, aka Rocky, my cousin brother. Same last name, but yeah, I used to see him every morning during COVID, and Shanna took a funny photo of us because I didn't know he was working there. Came in to get water one morning, and then I kept hearing my name. I was like, is someone calling me? And Rodney was on the other side of the fence at NTUA in Tuba City. I was laughing. We were talking for a bit, and Shanna took a picture of it, like little caption. It was like, dig deep on NTUA turf. Only thing guarding these two is a fence. It was funny. But yeah, great to talk to him again. I like that he calls and not texts. not a big texter. But yeah, tomorrow's not going to be too exciting. Got some just meeting calls and stuff like that. So yeah, it's getting cold. So hope everybody out there is staying warm, especially the ones that work outside. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.